Hello students, today we are going to start the fourth unit and the name of our unit is structure of atom. So the journey of atom is very interesting. The Dalton scientist is the first person who told us the theory of atom. So Dalton या सायंटिस्टनं ॲटमची एक महत्त्वाची theory मांडली. So Dalton told us some important points, that is which is that point, the atom is indivisible, means we cannot divide the atom. Okay, and all the matters are made up from the atom. तर ही theory डाल्टनने सुरुवातीला मांडली होती. But later on the research and more research on atom takes place and there is new particles are formed and that term is called as subatomic particles. Subatomic particles means subatomic particle means these particles present in the atom. पहा, सुरुवातीला फक्त डाल्टनची थेरी अस्तित्वात होते. डाल्टनने ॲटमची थेरीमध्ये आपल्याला काही मुद्दे सांगितले होते, पण कालांतराने त्याच्यामध्ये अजून रिसर्च होऊन एक नवीन टर्म उदयाला आली, दॅट इज द सब ॲटोमिक पार्टिकल्स. ओके, सो keep in the mind now here I am going to tell you the subatomic particles. It is very important. The subatomic particle means these particles present in the atom. Which is that particle? So first here I am going to write that is the electron. Keep in mind electron. Okay, then proton, electron, proton, and the third one is the neutron. So students, these three are the subatomic particles present in the atom. Okay, inside the atom. Inside the atom there is the nucleus. Okay, and in that nucleus there is presence of proton and the neutron, and it is collectively called as nucleons. Okay, so first keep in mind that these three are subatomic particles. Okay, proton and neutron. Okay, and these two proton and neutron present in the nucleus of the atom, present in the nucleus of atom, and this collectively called as nucleons. Okay, so now the symbol of this electron we can denote it by the electron by the E. Okay, this proton by P and the neutron like this. So these are the symbol of electron, proton and the neutron. Okay, this electron has the negative charge, proton has the positive charge, and neutron is chargeless. So actually charge symbol is like this, charge symbol, charge symbol. The electron charge symbol is minus E, proton symbol is plus E, and this is the symbol of electron, E, proton and the neutron. So these are the three subatomic particles, keep in mind. Okay, and these particles proton and neutron present in the nucleus, and this electron present in the extra nuclear part. Means suppose here it is, I am going to give one example. Suppose consider the carbon. Suppose this is the center or nucleus of the carbon. In this nucleus there is the presence of proton and the neutrons, and this electron present in the extra nuclear part, means it revolve around this extra nuclear part, there is the electron is revolving. Understand? So with the help of this diagram I think you get the idea. या diagram वरून तुम्हाला आयडिया मिळेल की सपोज कार्बन त्याचा ॲटम कन्सिडर केला तर जे न्यूक्लियस रिजन आहे इन दॅट प्रोटॉन अँड न्यूट्रॉन प्रेझेंट, आणि जो कडीचा हा पार्ट आहे एक्स्ट्रा न्यूक्लियर पार्ट, देर इज द प्रेझेन्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. अँड अनदर थिंग विच यू शुड रिमेंबर that this electron having the negative charge and this proton having the positive charge. Okay, so it is all about the information of subatomic particle. But next point is also very important. पुढील मुद्दा पण खूप महत्त्वाचा आहे की ही जी डिस्कवरी कुणी केली त्या सायंटिस्टची नावं आपल्याला माहिती पाहिजेत. जो इलेक्ट्रॉन आहे इट इज डिस्कवर्ड बाय द सायंटिस्ट जे थॉम्सन. जे थॉम्सन, पहा जे थॉम्सनने आपल्याला जे थॉम्सन ह्याने इलेक्ट्रॉन डिस्कवर केले. देन नेक्स्ट प्रोटॉन इज डिस्कवर बाय द रुदरफोर्ड. प्रोटॉन इज डिस्कवर बाय द रुदरफोर्ड, and the third is the neutron. Okay, third is the neutron, it is discovered by the Chadwick, scientist Chadwick. So keep in the mind this is the name are the scientist who discover this subatomic particle. Electron discovered by J. Thomson, proton discovered by Rutherford, neutron discovered by the Chadwick. So student, understand this is the general introduction of our chapter, that is the structure of atom. First thing I already told you that the atom first person, that is the Dalton, first scientist, the Dalton, told us some important point of the atom. Then there is more research and the term arises, that is the subatomic particle, and these three are the subatomic particle: electron, proton and neutron. Proton, neutron present in the nucleus, and collectively it is called as nucleons, okay, and the electron present in the extranuclear part, okay. So this is all about the subatomic particle. So write these things, then we will see the next point. So students, next point is discovery of proton. You know that already, the proton is the subatomic particle. Proton हा एक subatomic particle आहे, ओके, ज्याचा शोध रुदरफोर्डने लावला, बरोबर. आता रुदरफोर्डने नेमका कोणता एक्सपेरिमेंट केला तो आपण पाहणार आहे. सो लेट अस सी द एक्सपेरिमेंट ऑफ रुदरफोर्ड, हु डिस्कवर्ड द प्रोटॉन. ओके, ही टेक द अल्फा particle. Here it is I am going to draw, this is source of alpha particle, and that alpha particles are positive charge. Students, this is nothing but what? This is source of alpha particles. Source of alpha particle. Okay, understand? Rutherford first taken the source of alpha particle, and there is, here is the one lead plate is here. Here it is the lead plate. This is nothing but the lead plate. Look this is the lead plate. Okay. रुदरफोर्डने काय काय घेतले पहा, सोर्स ऑफ अल्फा पार्टिकल, इथे लीड प्लेट, अँड अनदर इम्पॉर्टंट टर्म इज गोल्ड फॉइल. सुवर्णपत्र आपण म्हणू शकतो त्याला. हियर इज द गोल्ड फॉइल. लुक हियर, दिस इज द गोल्ड फॉइल, GOLD, गोल्ड फॉइल. ओके, अँड दिस गोल्ड फॉइल इज कवर्ड बाय such a photographic plate. Here it is, I will draw photographic plate. This is suppose consider photographic plate. Photographic plate. So these are the apparatus, or you can say the instruments of Rutherford. Now what exactly happened? पहा, रुदरफोर्डचा आपण एक्सपेरिमेंट पाहतो की तिने कशा प्रकारे प्रोटॉनचा शोध लावला. फर्स्ट काय घेतलं पहा, सोर्स ऑफ अल्फा पार्टिकल. हियर इज द वन लीड प्लेट. Here is the gold foil. Okay, now you know that this alpha particle, I already told you, the positively charged, this is the positively charged alpha particle. आता पहिल्यांदा काय होतं पहा, ह्या अल्फा पार्टिकलची बंबार्डमेंट होती ह्या गोल्ड फॉइल वरती, and this alpha particle goes through the lead plate. So here is the all alpha particle comes from the source of alpha particle. Okay, and this alpha particle bombardment on the gold foil. तर गोल्ड फाईलवरती बंबार्डमेंट झाल्यानंतर पहा काय होतं की ह्या गोल्ड फाईलच्या सेंटरला काही पार्टिकल जातात, काही अप्पर साईडला, काही लोअर साईडला जातात, आणि देर इज डेव्हिएशन. मग इथे असं डेव्हिएशन ह्या प्रकारे बुकमध्ये तुम्ही डायग्राम पाहू शकता, अशा प्रकारे डेव्हिएशन होते. बट विच इज द इम्पॉर्टंट पॉईंट फ्रॉम आवर पॉईंट ऑफ व्ह्यू? आपल्या दृष्टीने सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचा मुद्दा काय, त्यावरती आपल्याला फोकस करायचा आहे की जो अल्फा पार्टिकल हा पहा इथं दिसतोय पॉझिटिव्हली चार्ज आहे, जो गोल्ड फाईलवरती चाललेला आहे. ओके, पण एक्झॅक्ट कुठं चाललेला आहे? ॲट टुवर्ड द सेंटर ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस. अँड व्हॉट हॅपन, दिस अल्फा पार्टिकल विच गोज टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस, इट बाउन्स बॅक. म्हणजे जो अल्फा पार्टिकल न्यूक्लियसच्या सेंटरला चालला तो बाउन्स बॅक, म्हणजे हा असा टर्न होतो, आहे असा 180 डिग्रीनं. दिस पार्टिकल बाउन्स बॅक. What is the meaning of bounce back? हा bounce back का होत असावा? So it is very interesting things. You know the alpha particle positive charge, and you know just like the magnet, north repel north or south pole repel south pole, exactly like that. Positive repel to positive means alpha particle goes, it is positive charge, and this is the gold foil nucleus, it is also positive charge. Okay, so this at the center there should be the positive charge, means at the center there should be the positive charge, and Rutherford give the name to that positive charge is the proton. So it is all about the Rutherford experiment, and there is one reaction also. In Rutherford experiment there is conversion of nitrogen into the oxygen in such a way. Suppose here it is the nitrogen, okay, and then we can take the nitrogen convert into oxygen, nitrogen, and there is the alpha particle bombardment. This is the alpha particle, and it convert into the oxygen just like this. Okay, and there is proton. Okay, so this is the reaction. Okay, but more important is this diagram and its conclusion. Understand? So this is the discovery of proton. Alpha particle source which is positively charged, this alpha particle bombardment on gold foil, okay, and the alpha particle which goes towards the nucleus, it bounces back. Why bounce back? Because at the nucleus there should be the positive charge, and alpha particle already positively charged, okay. So that's why the alpha particle bounce back, means at the nucleus there should be the presence of proton, means the positively charged particle. So it is all about the discovery of the proton, okay, and this experiment is set by the Rutherford, okay. So students, draw this diagram, then we will see the next point. So student, next point is atomic number and atomic mass number. आता आपण atomic number म्हणजे अणुक्रमांक and atomic mass number अणुभारांक ह्याचा अर्थ पाहणार आहे. So look carefully. You know that in periodic table total 118 elements. Periodic table मध्ये एकूण 118 एलिमेंट आहेत. Now आपण त्यापैकी कोणताही एलिमेंट x म्हणून कन्सिडर करू शकतो. Now look here. Here it is now. The x means any element from the periodic table. मग तो काही असेल, सपोज कार्बन, नायट्रोजन, ऑक्सिजन, ओके. सो x इज एनी एलिमेंट ऑफ द periodic टेबल. आता मी काय लिहितोय ते बारकाईने पहा. लुक केअरफुली. व्हॉट आय एम गोइंग टू राईट हियर. सपोज दिस इज द लेफ्ट साइड, ओके. So at the left bottom I am going to write the term Z, and here it is the top side. At the left top I am going to write the term A. Understand? So left bottom ला Z symbol लिहिला आहे, left top ला A लिहिला आहे. आता त्याचा अर्थ काय? Let us see what is the meaning of Z and A. So student, it is very important. This Z means atomic number. Never forgot. The Z means atomic number, okay. And then the next A, this A means the mass number. A means what? The mass number. A means mass number. Understand? This Z means atomic number, A means mass number, okay. Now suppose with the help of example we will see now. Suppose look here, here is the carbon, here is the 6, here is the 12. Now you can tell me, this 6 means what? It is the left bottom, means it is the atomic number, and 12 is the mass number. Now I am going to tell you interesting thing. Which interesting things? Look carefully. The atomic number is exactly equal to number of protons. Atomic number is exactly equal to number of proton. Keep in mind. Atomic number is exactly equal to number of proton, and number of proton is exactly equal to number of electron. Number of proton is exactly equal to number of electron in neutral atom. So this is the very important term. Look here. This is the very important. Keep in mind. Okay. Look here. What is this? This is the X. Means any atom from the periodic table. In that left bottom atomic number, left top mass number. Z is what? Z काय आहे? atomic number. Atomic number म्हणजेच ती संख्या कोणा एवढी असते? Atomic number is exactly equal to number of proton, or number of proton is exactly equal to atomic number, and number of proton and number of electron is same in neutral atom, okay. So atomic number is equal to number of proton is equal to number of electron, and you know all about that. These are the subatomic particle, proton and electron. Proton positive charge, electron negative charge. So now the next we are going to see some example. Look here. Before that I am going to tell you one formula. Look here, what is that formula? The formula is like this. A is equal to Z plus N. This is the formula. So ह्या फॉर्म्युल्याचा अर्थ काय? What is the meaning of this formula? Look here. You know this A means what? Yes, A means mass number. Very easy. A means mass number. Okay. This Z means what? Okay. Z means atomic number. Okay. This Z means atomic number. Okay. Then the next, this N. So here it is. This N means neutron. Keep in mind, this N means neutron. And you know the neutron, it is also present with proton in the nucleus. So this N means neutron. So with the help of this we can prepare another formula, that is n is equal to what? A minus z. So look carefully these formulas, okay, because now we will conduct the examples. ह्यावर आधारित आपण एक्झाम्पल घेऊ, ओके. समजते, पण त्यापूर्वी फॉर्म्युले व्यवस्थित पहा. तर आपण काय करू पहा, इथे एकदा कडेला एक एक्झाम्पल लिहू आणि ते समजून घेण्याचा प्रयत्न करू. सपोज same example, suppose this carbon, here it is the atomic number 6, mass number 12. Now my first question to you, what is the atomic number? Left bottom 6, mass number 12, very easy question. Next question, how many protons present in this carbon? 6, because number of proton is equal to atomic number. So proton present in this is 6, okay. Next question, how many electrons present in this? How many electrons present in this? You don't know the number of proton and electron is same, so electron is also 6, okay. Now next question, how many neutrons present in this? Neutrons, you know the neutrons in this formula, capital N. So here it is same way we are going to write neutron. Neutron is equal to what? A minus Z. So you know the A means what? Mass number. What is the mass number? 12. Okay, and the atomic number 6, so 12 minus 6, 6, so neutron is also 6. Understand? So this is all about the atomic number and atomic mass number. तर काही गोष्टी विसरू नका. डाव्या बाजूला खाली लेफ्ट बॉटम ॲटॉमिक नंबर, लेफ्ट टॉप मास नंबर, ओके. ॲटॉमिक नंबर एक्झॅक्ट तेवढेच प्रोटॉन असतात, तेवढेच इलेक्ट्रॉन, ओके. देन ए मीन्स मास नंबर. मास नंबर म्हणजे काय? ती सम असते कुणाची? ॲटॉमिक नंबरची आणि न्यूट्रॉनची. आणि न्यूट्रॉन म्हणजेच काय? मास नंबर वजा ॲटॉमिक नंबर. सो माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू दॅट, लुक हिअर, सपोज C13, okay. So my next question, how many proton? Exactly equal to atomic number. So how many proton here? Yes, proton 6, electron 6, exactly equal to proton, because proton and electron same. But the next question is, how many neutrons? So you know the neutrons, n is equal to what? N is equal to what? A minus Z. Here it is A 13 and Z 6, so answer is 7. So neutron, 7 neutron. Understand? Okay. So write all these things, then we will see the one example. So students, now this is the question in front of us. आता आपल्या पुढे एक प्रश्न आहे आणि हा प्रश्न कशावर आधारित आहे? That is the atomic number and mass number. So first you have to write this question carefully. So what is the question? Find out the number of protons, electrons and neutrons in the nuclide AR. AR means argon, and this is the atomic number 18 and the mass number 40. म्हणजे आपल्याला argon दिलेला आहे ज्याचा atomic number 18, mass number 40. And they ask for to find out the proton, electron, neutron. Now you know all the things now. Proton, neutron present in the nucleus, electron present in the extranuclear part. And you know that the proton and electron number is the same. Means this number is exactly equal to atomic number. So first we'll think about the proton. Number of proton. So tell me the number of proton is equal to what? Students, number of proton is equal to the atomic number. So number of proton is equal to 18. Here it is the 18. Then next, number of electron. Number of electron is equal to the number of protons. So it is also the 18. Okay. So electron and proton, we get the answer. Now the next thing, they asked about to calculate the neutron also. And you know the formula of neutron. Neutron is equal to A minus Z. Now tell me the A means mass number. What is the mass number? 40. Then what is the atomic number? 18. Then you have to subtract this. So what is the answer then? You have to subtract this. Here it is the 2. Then here it is the 3. Okay. Here it is what? This is the here it is the 2. Suppose 22. So 22 is the answer. Okay. Understand? So the neutron, because you know the 18 plus 20, there is the answer is the 40. Okay. So the number of neutron is 22. Understand? Okay, so I think you get all the idea about the proton, electron, neutron, and these are the subatomic particle and the atomic number and mass number. Next lecture we will see the next point. Thanks.